The concept of Earth and Mars colliding is a popular theme in science fiction, often depicted as a dramatic and catastrophic event. Although the likelihood of such an occurrence in reality is extremely low, it is intriguing to explore the hypothetical consequences of such a collision. This scenario allows us to delve into the science behind planetary collisions and their potential catastrophic outcomes for both planets. The mechanics of a planetary collision. Before we explore the consequences of an Earth-Mars collision, it is crucial to grasp the mechanics of such an event. In our solar system, planets orbit the Sun in distinct orbits governed by gravitational forces. For Earth and Mars to collide, their orbits would need to intersect. However, this is highly improbable due to the vast distances separating the two planets. Nevertheless, if a collision were to happen, it would be a high-speed impact as both planets travel through space at considerable velocities. The energy released during this collision would be immense and have far-reaching effects on both Earth and Mars. Catastrophic consequences for Earth. An Earth-Mars collision would be disastrous for our planet, resulting in the following devastating consequences. Global extinction event. The collision would likely cause a massive explosion, leading to the extinction of most life on Earth due to firestorms, tsunamis, and earthquakes. Atmosphere disruption. The impact would disrupt Earth's atmosphere, sending shockwaves and debris into space. This could lead to a significant loss of the protective ozone layer, exposing the planet to harmful solar radiation. Climate change. The debris ejected into space would eventually re-enter Earth's atmosphere, causing a dramatic cooling effect due to the blocking of sunlight. This impact winter would result in prolonged extreme cold, impacting ecosystems and agriculture. Tectonic activity. The collision could trigger massive geological shifts, creating new mountain ranges, volcanoes, and seismic activity worldwide. Mass extinctions. The immediate aftermath of the collision would cause the extinction of many species due to the combination of fire, shockwaves, and climate changes. Mars fate. While Earth would bear the brunt of the collision, Mars would also experience significant consequences. Atmosphere loss. Mars' thin atmosphere would likely be further depleted by the collision, making it even less hospitable for potential future colonization. Crater formation. The impact would create a massive crater on Mars, potentially altering its surface and geological features significantly. Debris ejection. Debris from the collision would be ejected into space, potentially posing a risk to spacecraft and future missions exploring Mars. Changes in orbit. The collision could alter Mars' orbit around the Sun, potentially affecting its position in the solar system and its relationship with other celestial bodies. The unlikeliness of such an event. It is crucial to emphasize that the probability of Earth and Mars colliding is exceptionally low. The vast distances and precise orbital mechanics make such an event astronomically unlikely. The concept of planetary collisions is more prevalent in science fiction than in reality. In our solar system, the planets have stable orbits, determined by gravitational interactions with the Sun and each other. These orbits have remained relatively stable for billions of years, and any significant changes would require external forces on a massive scale. While the idea of an Earth-Mars collision is captivating and dramatic, it is essential to recognize its purely hypothetical nature. Celestial mechanics and the laws of physics make such an event highly improbable. However, understanding the potential outcomes of a planetary collision highlights the delicate balance in our solar system. It also underscores the importance of studying celestial mechanics to appreciate the stability and order of our solar system and the fragility of life on Earth.